I'm Tejas Vakil, CEO at Sheetak. Let us be clear. The global supply chain model that we have relied on for decades is under strain. Geopolitical instability, trade conflicts, and shifting alliances are not temporary disruptions, they are the new operating environment. And if your business depends on a single region or a single country, you are exposed. This is no longer just about cost optimization, it is about control. Because when your supply chain is halfway around the world, you don't control it, you react to it. And in today's environment, reacting is too late. Every US company should be taking a hard look at their critical components and asking, do we have a trusted American supplier on our approved vendor list? If the answer is no, that is not a strategy, it is a risk. You don't need to abandon your global partners, but you do need an American supplier qualified and approved before the next disruption hits, not after. In thermal management, that partner is Sheetak. We design and manufacture advanced thermoelectric devices and related assemblies right here in the United States, engineered by American teams, built in our facilities, and backed by the supply chain accountability that comes from owning the entire process. Resilient supply chains are not built by accident. They are built deliberately. Because in a world that is less predictable, American capability isn't just an advantage, it is a necessity. And so for your thermal management needs, talk to Sheetak. We stand ready, willing, and able. Thank you.